Want to see what's taking over kitchens everywhere? These viral Temu gadgets are making cooking, cleaning, and organizing faster, easier, and way more fun. From clever tools to time-saving helpers, they're the little upgrades you didn't know you needed. All the links are waiting for you in the description below. Storage meets style in this 5-layer rotating rack. The circular mesh baskets let air flow through, keeping everything from produce to toiletries fresh and easy to find. Smooth rolling wheels make it effortless to move between rooms, while the 360-degree spin gives you instant access to every item. No assembly needed, just set it up and start organizing. Cool treats are just minutes away. This countertop ice cream machine turns your favorite ingredients into soft, creamy desserts right at home. Stainless steel blades shave ice quickly for fluffy snow cones, or blend frozen fruit into smooth sorbet. Cleanup is simple with dishwasher-safe parts and a wipe-clean base. Perfect for parties, summer days, or whenever you need a sweet pick-me-up. Seasoning your food just got easier. This glass spice jar comes with a retractable spoon, so you can scoop the perfect amount without hunting for utensils. Ideal for salt, sugar, or your favorite spices. It keeps ingredients fresh and within reach. The clear design lets you see when it's time for a refill. Simple, neat, and practical. It's a small upgrade that makes cooking smoother. Hydration on the go just got more convenient. These foldable silicone bottles collapse down when empty, saving space in your bag. Made from food-grade material, they're safe, durable, and ready for any adventure. Each bottle has a secure lid to prevent leaks, making them perfect for camping, travel, or daily use. Lightweight and reusable, they're your go-anywhere, drink-anytime solution. No more spills or bugs in your drink. These colorful soda can lids snap right onto standard cans, turning them into spill-resistant, reusable bottles. Each lid comes with a silicone straw, making sipping easy and mess-free. Perfect for picnics, road trips, or just relaxing at home. Fun, practical, and eco-friendly. You'll wonder how you ever drank from a can without them. Pantry storage meets eco-friendly style. This recycled wood food container keeps cereal, grains, or snacks fresh with its leak-proof flip-top lid. The smooth, label-free design gives your shelves a clean, modern look while saving space. Easy to open, pour, and refill. It makes everyday kitchen organization simple. Durable and reusable. It's a smarter choice for both your home and the planet. Keep food fresh for longer without bulky machines. This handheld vacuum sealer removes air from the included bags, locking in flavor and extending shelf life. Portable and rechargeable, it's perfect for home use, meal prep, or taking on trips. Just fill, seal, and store. Your food stays protected from moisture and freezer burn. Compact, easy, and efficient. It's freshness at your fingertips. Keep your cooking oil fresh and your kitchen cleaner. This stainless steel pot comes with a built-in strainer to filter out crumbs after frying, so you can reuse oil without the mess. The deep fryer basket lets you cook and lift food easily, while the glass lid helps lock in heat. It's durable, dishwasher safe, and works on any cooktop. A smart, tidy way to handle frying at home. Real quick, before you buy your next Amazon gadget and waste hundreds of dollars, I've put together a secret Amazon cheat sheet that shows you how to save up to 80% on every order, and it's completely free. These are the tricks most shoppers don't know about, and Amazon will hate you for knowing them. Get your free guide. Links in the description. Water storage just got smarter. This metal bucket rack holds your water container securely and includes a built-in faucet for easy pouring. The detachable design makes it simple to set up, move, or store when not in use. Perfect for home kitchens, camping trips, or dorm rooms, it keeps purified water accessible without heavy lifting. Strong, stable, and space-saving, it's a must-have for everyday convenience. Messy batter pours are a thing of the past. This handheld funnel dispenser gives you smooth, controlled pours for cupcakes, pancakes, muffins, and more. Just fill it up, squeeze the handle, and release the perfect amount every time. No drips, no sticky counters, just neat, even portions. It's a simple tool that makes baking faster, cleaner, and way more fun. Your spices deserve better than a messy cabinet. This wall-mounted rack keeps them organized, visible, and ready to use. 5 clear lid compartments let you see exactly what's inside, each with its own built-in spoon for easy scooping. The no-drill adhesive design sticks securely to most walls, saving counter space. Sleek, practical, and tidy, it's the upgrade your kitchen's been waiting for. Drying dishes doesn't have to take over your counter. This foldable dish rack pops open when you need it and folds flat when you don't. It holds plates, bowls, and utensils neatly, with a built-in holder to keep cutlery organized. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for small kitchens, RVs, and camping trips. Simple, compact, and practical, it makes dish duty a little easier anywhere you go. Small space, big storage. This rotating corner shelf makes the most of unused bathroom space, keeping all your essentials within easy reach. 3 tiers hold everything from shampoo to skincare, while the compact design tucks neatly into any corner. The smooth swivel action lets you grab what you need without shuffling bottles around. Perfect for keeping your shower or sink area neat and clutter-free. Cooking, serving, and storing, this set handles it all. The 27-piece non-stick cookware collection comes with detachable handles, so pots and pans go straight from stovetop to oven to fridge. Non-toxic coating means food slides right out with minimal oil, and cleanup is a breeze. Safe for induction, oven, and dishwasher use, it's built for versatility. With every piece you need, it's like upgrading your whole kitchen in one go. Drying dishes just got a clever upgrade. This metal kitchen dish rack comes with a slide-out drainer that keeps countertops free from puddles. A pull-out drawer adds extra space for utensils, lids, or sponges. It's sturdy enough for daily use, yet compact enough to fit under the sink or on a counter. Functional, neat, and easy to clean, it keeps your kitchen organized without taking over your space. Chopping ingredients doesn't have to mean tears and sore hands. This cordless electric chopper powers through garlic, onions, nuts, and veggies with a single button press. The compact portable design makes it just as useful in a small kitchen as it is on a camping trip. BPA-free construction keeps your food safe, and cleanup is quick and easy. It's the fast, fuss-free way to prep like a pro. Who needs takeout when you can roll like a pro at home? This sushi making tool turns your favorite ingredients into perfect rolls in minutes. Just load it with rice and fillings, press, and push. Your sushi comes out in a neat tube, ready to wrap in seaweed. The design keeps rolls tight and even, so slicing is a breeze. It's simple, fun, and a great way to impress at dinner. Cling wrap, foil, and paper towels, finally all in one place. This kitchen storage rack keeps your essentials neatly organized and always within reach. Built-in cutters make slicing through plastic wrap or foil smooth and hassle-free. The non-perforated design means no drilling, so setup is quick and easy. From meal prep to cleanup, it keeps your kitchen looking tidy and running efficiently. Why carry 2 bottles when one can do the job? This split-bin drink cup holds 2 beverages in a single container, keeping them completely separate. Sip water on one side and juice, tea, or an energy drink on the other. The portable design is perfect for workouts, hikes, or road trips. It's a smart way to stay hydrated and mix up your drinks without extra bulk. Cooking feels effortless when your tools are always ready. This 10-piece knife set covers all your slicing, dicing, and chopping needs. Each blade is crafted for precision, and the built-in sharpener keeps them razor sharp without extra gadgets. Comfortable handles give you control, whether you're prepping veggies or carving meat. With every knife in its place, your kitchen instantly feels more organized and professional. Snacking just got way more fun. This double rotating tray opens like a blooming flower, revealing layers of treats inside. Fill it with candy, nuts, dried fruit, or fresh veggies for an instant party centerpiece. The lid keeps everything fresh, while the spinning design makes it easy for everyone to grab a bite. It's practical storage that also doubles as eye-catching table decor. Making dumplings just got a whole lot easier. This electric double-head dumpling maker shapes 2 at a time, giving you perfect results in seconds. Choose between 2 modes for different dough thickness or fillings. The rechargeable design means you can use it anywhere without being tied to a plug. From juicy dumplings to crispy empanadas, it's your shortcut to delicious homemade bites. Fresh juice doesn't have to be a morning hassle. This slow, masticating juicer uses gentle, cold-press technology to squeeze every drop from your fruits and veggies. The wide chute swallows whole pieces, saving you time on prep. Its quiet motor means you can juice early without waking the whole house. From crisp apples to leafy greens, you'll get smooth, nutrient-rich juice every time.